In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a consent form using Wufoo, a simple and efficient online form builder that's ideal for creating any kind of form you might need. Whether you're gathering data, hosting an event, or, as we are today, crafting a consent form, Wufoo offers flexible and intuitive tools to get the job done seamlessly. To start, you'll first want to log into your Wufoo account. Once you've logged in and you're on your dashboard, go ahead and locate the option to create a new form. You'll see a button labeled Create New Form. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you have two choices. You can start with a blank slate, or, if it suits your needs better, select a relevant template from the Wufoo template gallery. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating a custom consent form. So let's choose a blank form to have full control over our design. Next, we need to add a vital component to our form, a section dedicated to the consent statement. To do this, drag and drop a section break field to the very beginning of your form. This section is crucial as it holds the terms your users must agree to. Once you've positioned the section break, click on it to access its settings. In the text box labeled Instructions for User, you'll want to paste your consent statement or terms of service here. You can customize the appearance of this text using HTML for things like bolding, italics, or links, ensuring it's clear and engaging for users. If you'd like to have this information displayed in a scrolling text box for easier reading, type the phrase scroll text into the CSS layout keywords text box. This keeps your form neat and manageable, especially if the consent details are lengthy. With the consent information in place, it's time to add a checkbox that users will tick to provide their consent. Drag a checkbox's field right below the section break. When configuring this field, you'll see there are typically multiple answer choices available by default. We only need one for our purposes, so go ahead and remove the second and third choices. Modify the remaining checkbox label to say something straightforward like, "I agree to the terms of service." Make sure to set this field as required. This means users will be unable to submit the form without ticking the box, ensuring their consent is formally recorded. And there you have it. Just save your form, and you're ready to start collecting consent through Wufoo. This setup allows you to clearly communicate your terms and properly document consent efficiently and professionally. Thank you for tuning in, and feel free to leave any questions or comments you might have for further clarification.